Automated Mass Cyber Surveillance, presented by IPFIX Datacom. Global communications networks are facing unprecedented levels of targeted attacks and cyber threats. Rapid global network expansion is creating additional challenges for those looking to mitigate these threats and defend national security interests. Nowhere is this challenge more evident than in the protection of global optical networks. These information highways represent an ideal location for detecting national attacks. Monitoring fiber networks at this scale requires significant levels of manual survey to enable access to targeted IP traffic and generate invaluable signals intelligence. In addition, maximum visibility requires physical access connecting many fibers to costly tool ports. The solution must not only automate the process of continual network survey, but also reuse precious capital equipment. NetQuest Corporation's OMX offers automated network survey combined with advanced packet processing and rich IPFIX metadata generation. Huber+Suhner provides dynamic low-loss optical connectivity between large fiber networks and analysis tools, optimizing efficiency of costly tool ports. IPFIX Datacom is working with NetQuest and Huber+Suhner to combine their technologies to offer an automated solution, controlled via NetQuest's Alpine Patrol software that significantly reduces both OPEX and CAPEX. The solution scans large fiber plants to track signaling contents by storing intelligent metadata so that surveillance can be enabled on demand. Request the free application note today at www.phoenixdatacom.com/netquest.